Hey guys, what's up? So still in Colombia, still in Medellin, and today we are going to the Botanical Gardens in Medellin here. So this city is very green, but it's still very much a city with big buildings. This is probably a greener area of the city. We've heard it's very beautiful, quite large, so we're going to take a quick little walk through the Botanical Gardens today and see what we find. Hopefully, if you ever come to Colombia, some of these little YouTube videos have given you some insight and inspiration to explore the city, especially in Medellin where we are. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's
go. All right. Mighty green mango. Hola. Thanks so. Next one, thank you.
Mango.
Them or we'll just walk past, I guess.
I was worried that saying that we were foreigners would make it cross. Oh God, look at him, how cute.
Hello. So as you walk in, you realize that it's large, and I think there's one big outer ring, and then throughout the middle of the gardens there's like crossing trails and paths. So we're just gonna get lost and not follow any kind of real structure and see what happens. But I've already noticed as we walked in this massive tree. Check him out. Wow.
So pretty.
Yeah. That's a big boy right there. So yeah, we're gonna walk through, and anytime I see anything interesting, we're gonna show you. Alright, so Steph has some of our first information. So these leaves here, which we also have in Trinidad, I believe. But what does that sign say?
No, apparently they use it to make like traditional Colombian hats as well as like other handicraft and stuff like that.
That's cool. So they have all these informational signs here about some of the plants, and that's pretty cool. Alright, we can keep going. Such a terrible Trini because I can't remember the name of this, but we for sure have these home in Trinidad, and no one or any comment will give any name as soon as you think you see it. All up in the tree there. Tell me in the comments, what are these called? I'm sorry, is it a jackfruit? I don't know, but you know, so tell me. So we're going inside an area now with this amazing structure, and apparently it houses prehistoric plants. So let's go and have a look. And we found ourselves a famous duck plant. I don't know if you've ever seen this type of plant before. Hello? It's okay. I won't harass you anymore. You have to watch out for the iguanas apparently. And there's a lake in the distance. Let's check it out. Venga a ver una tortuga, papi, ven. La plumita que está como chirosita desde cuando son pequeñitos.
Un poquito. Voy a mandar un poquito a los patos.
Ay, no. Uy, mira, eso están para allá. Stephanie is scared of the ducks.
Because they're nipping at people's feet and shoes.
Come on, see them, little babies. They're funny. Come, let's go. Hello.
This one self just bit you. You're a jumper. You're very brave.
You wanna go and sunbathe with the turtles?
I do.
There you go. He's eating grass. Yeah. He's eating there, sir. Hey.
Yeah, look what we found.
What is it?
Sorrel.
Sorrel?
Sorrel.
A nice big sorrel plant. So Colombia, although the temperature is a bit cooler than Trinidad, lots and lots of similar type of plants and animals and stuff, very similar to Trinidad, I guess because we were once part of South America, you know, so that's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed our little short trip to the Colombian Botanical Gardens. Like many things, this is best viewed in person, but hopefully it gave you a guide and an idea of what you can expect. Let me show you something before we go. An entire setup of different plants made into a butterfly. I don't know if you could see it. And that's really cool.
That's pretty.
So yeah, other than that, we'll see you all in Trinidad soon. Big love from Steph and I. Have a fantastic week. Visit Colombia and of course visit Trinidad and Tobago. See you all soon.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.